Howdy do there, campers. I'm here at the old Grand Rapids RV show. I'm actually a day early here, giving you exclusive access. And I've stumbled upon this absolutely gorgeous Midnight Black Edition Cougar 320 RDS. This camper actually doesn't even belong to our dealership. Matter of fact, none of the campers here do. But I wanted to highlight this Midnight Black 320 RDS because we can get you one just like this. We can custom order them for you. LED strips around the whole exterior, making this thing real sleek. We also got frameless tinted windows like everywhere. Outdoor speakers to keep the party bumping. And then we got a huge pass-through here. Make this the guest bedroom or the mother-in-law suite. I believe this thing is 10,900 pounds dry. I'll correct that if I'm wrong. And 37 feet 4 inches. We got a ladder to your fully walkable roof back here, as well as a mount for a backup camera. If you get the custom one, obviously you can just get it ordered with the camera already on there. Same with solar. I think there's like 200 watts of solar on the roof of this one, but if you want to add more, you could probably do that. It depends on the exact model, but a lot of them we can add more solar. But let's get up on inside this honker. Take a peek, see. Wowie zowie, you guys. This is actually take 2 of me shooting the entire interior. I shot it once and the audio was all frigged up, so now I gotta redo it. Anyways, we're gonna start in the kitchen because we're already here. We got a detachable faucet here on our big old kitchen peninsula because we in Michigan. I believe this doubles as a cutting board on our undermount sink. Tons and tons of countertop space in this thing, making cooking very convenient. We also got a lot of drawer space and cupboard space. Everywhere you look, microwave up top, 3-burner gas stove, and quite a spacious oven, I must say. Wowie zowie, you guys, this is actually a really nice Regal fridge here. I don't really know the exact statistics about cubic footage or whatnot, or wattage, but I do know it looks friggin' nice. If anyone does happen to be curious about those boring stats, I will figure them out and put them in the comments. Big old honkin' beefy pantry here, fit all your dry goodies, your cans, whatnot. Whatever, I don't know, you can put whatever the heck you want in there. Coffee bar here, very nice. Luxurious. Going back over to the very rear of the camper. Ooh, I like those lights, guys, I like those lights. Nice big old sectional here in the living area. Huge L-shaped couch, has cup holders on the ends. These 2 recline, and then this whole part will convert into a sleeper. Yeah, now we got a bed for 2 right up in the living room. A little entertainment area here. Well, not so little. It's a huge TV, actually. And that thing will lower all the way into there with the push of a button. I'm just going to do like a sweet gun transition instead. Bada bing, now the TV is lowered. I was going to like turn the fireplace on during the transition, but I can't get it on. And I don't really feel like figuring out the issue right now. It ain't my RV. Booth dinette over here. This table's a little funny looking. I just figured out you can rotate it so it is long wise. And now we got hot dog style. Okie dokie, you guys, let's head on up to the very front of this thing. We're gonna go all the way up the stairs. Let's take a left, shall we? Into the baño. Of course, a porcelain foot flush. Very nice, very dandy. We got a walk-in shower with a seat and a skylight. Big old mirror here. I mean, wowie zowie. All right, let's get out of here. Let's get into the old king-size bedroom. Holy guacamole, that's a big bed. You already know we got the mad storage space underneath this John. Huge mirrored closet with the sliding door. And then in this closet, ton of space in here. You can put a washer and a dryer in there, hook them up to them hoses, wash and dry your clothes right from your camper. If you got any questions about this thing, give me a call. The phone is in the bio.